Good morning, guys. I have just woken up and had a smoothie for breakfast. It's Saturday today and it is the bank holiday weekend, yay, which I'm so happy about because it's going to be really nice and warm, so it'll be very good to enjoy the hot weather. We went out for a couple of work drinks yesterday and for Suze's birthday. And yeah, I had like quite a bit of Prosecco, so started my day with a painkiller and some water just so I could get going, because I was feeling a little bit sorry for myself. Definitely devoured some pizza from Rocca di Papa, which I totally love their pizza. And so yeah, now we've just had some breakfast. Mike's still downstairs eating. I've cleaned a little bit downstairs, but still got quite a bit to do. We just want to spruce it up because we're having some people over for a barbecue today. So we're just gonna like mow the lawn and like sweep in the kitchen, go to the shop to buy some like food and drinks. I just finished doing my workout, did some skipping and some like leg exercises outside because it is, wow, a lovely day. Show you outside for Momo. Freaking blue skies. It's perfect out there. I'm sorry I don't really have a sturdy hand because I'm really tired. I used my new skipping rope. It says that you can adjust the skipping rope so that it's shorter, but I do not know how to do that, so it was a little bit long. I kind of used my old one for part of the time, but I found it fairly annoying. Just what I was working out in, because it's fucking hot, so hot out there. Literally, I'm sweating so much now, like look at my face. But I'm going to be having a nice shower now, getting super fresh, and then we're going to the shops, like I said, to get like, I think that we're gonna do potato salad, rolls, normal salad, drinks, and then we've just said to people to bring like their own meat and a couple of drinks if they want extra. So yeah, looking forward to having a chill day because I know Mike and I both have like quite a bit of work that we have to do for the rest of the weekend. So yeah, this is our day off and I am gonna go get ready now. I'm just putting some of my argan oil in my hair. I literally love this stuff. It's really cheap. You can get it from Poundland for £1, obviously, and it's just like a heat difference spray that you leave in. I don't know how good it is at like protecting your hair from the heat, but I just like the smell of it and I find it to be quite moisturizing. On my face, I'm going to be popping some of this Herbalife skin minimizing, line minimizing serum. To get you right along. Right, babe, I can see you down there. Right down. Can't get that song out of my head. Literally Unforgettable by French Montana. Played it twice already today, and then someone drove past with it playing out of their car and now it's stuck. Next, I'm going to be putting on some age resisting face cream from Simple. Just some day cream. A little bit of this goes a long way. Lastly, I'm just putting on some Skin Perfection Under Eye Brightening Cream. Unforgettable. On my actual body, I will be putting the Righteous Body Butter, which smells so fresh. Like, I don't know how to explain what the smell is, but it's just really, really nice and it's really moisturizing on the skin. I can feel your heart pound beating like a kick drum. Love it when I'm this drunk. Ooh, yeah, I could find fire burning for you all night. Love it when I'm this high. Ooh. ready for the barbecue now. I just curled my hair slightly tighter than I would want it to look because I know that it will drop. This is the hair. This is the dress that I have on. Excuse all of the mess. Clearly I didn't really get to cleaning that well. But yeah, let's head downstairs and see what we've got. Oh, I need to get my shades. Remember my drink and then don't bring shades. Slapping them on. Let's head out. We might find ourselves a dancing man. Let's go see. Dancing by himself. Just time to see what we've got. Hello! It's a really nice day out here. Got the barbecue on. Got like tables and stuff, and obviously a slide, like what else? Got some, got a little mini cave here. Budweiser. Keg. Drinks. So got some chicken marinating, some other meats, some stuff that I don't eat, some nice brioche buns, snacks, candies that obviously are already opened. And your boyfriend? Hello everybody. I am just sat here on the floor because I have had the longest day of all time, it feels, and just had quite the experience when I was on the bus. I was holding, wait for me, this bad boy, exciting package, and I was walking down the stairs and I kind of thought to myself, I should probably wait till the next stop and not go down the stairs, but I went down anyway, and we had quite an aggressive bus driver that just took off like at such a speed, and I flew forwards down the stairs, bumped into the lady in front of me, hit my knee on goodness knows what, and I kind of yanked back onto the pole because I was flying, I was going downhill, and yanked back on the pole and like hurt my elbow, and I just don't know how it all went down. It all just happened so fast, and the lady in front of me was like, oh my word, are you okay? I didn't let go of the package once, but I was a bit disheveled, and also my Converse that I have, which I was in denial about the size of, are a little bit too small, so decided those are going, and I'm going to be getting some new ones. So I thought that I would open this package with you guys today because I'm excited to show you what it is. It's something quite different, but I've recently just felt like I haven't done enough things for the sake of doing things. I've done a lot of things that I have to, and not just because it's what I really enjoy. So I wanted to get something that I used to do a lot. These are needed here. That I haven't done in a while. I'm on the floor because I'm tired and I can't be bothered to go anywhere else, you know? It's just so hard to open. This is always my worst, when it's so hard to open and then you think to yourself, what if I need to return it? Look at this. I just don't understand why I've done it like this. I'm just going to use the scissors that I have here and do the right thing. I need these scissors. That's what I should have. Incoming. That's what I should have freaking ordered. I'm confused. I feel like there's a potential I got the wrong thing. Guys, no. And I've ripped it open now like a bloody banshee. Basically, I ordered an easel. But this is not the one I ordered. I'm so confused. I mean, it's really cool. Here it is. pie. Oh, it fucking just stabbed me. Oh, I feel like someone just made this for me right before they sent it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm really confused because the one that I ordered was supposed to be metal. This is how this one looks though. And I'm gonna check on my account now if this is actually the one that I wanted to get. No. Good morning, possums. So it is the day before my birthday and I'm actually running a little bit late for work, but I'm really excited. It is the most beautiful day out there. It's supposed to be like 28 degrees. So I am very, very excited. After work we're going for some drinks at Queen of Hoxton, which is like a rooftop bar in London. And then might go out for some dinner and gonna get my hair done tomorrow morning and then see kind of where it goes from there. I just wanted to show you guys my outfit really quickly. So I have on this really cute like peplum pinstripe shirt with little flower details on it. This one is from Primark. And then at the bottom I have this grey skirt, also from Primark. Shoes from Primark. We know the life I live. Bag from Woolworths in South Africa. And my nails, which I just did last night. These are glue-on ones, and they are from a brand called Elegant Touch. Sorry about the state of my room. I know it's so messy. I'm rushing to get ready on time. Good morning, everyone. It is the 8th of July today, my birthday. We went out last night to a place called Queen of Hoxton for a couple of drinks, which was really nice, but someone had rented it out for like a private event inside, so it was quite packed on the top. But we still stayed there for quite a while. It was really nice. And we ended the night on Mike's idea. Lots of McD's. And woke up this morning with like the evidence lying all around the bed. And just tan all over the sheet. And I was like, oh my goodness. And he gave me a very, very sweet present now. It's a nice YSL perfume. It's really nice. Don't really have too many big plans for the day, but I think I'm gonna go get my hair done after some breakfast, and we'll see where the day takes us. How cute is this card that Mike got me? Oh my goodness. Literally one of the funniest things I have ever seen. It's not really that much of a nice day today, but I'm kind of glad about that because it's been so hot the last few days. Last night didn't really sleep that well, so it's a little bit cooler, but it's still very nice. It's probably like 24 degrees today. The whole entire room is literally in the biggest state you've ever seen. So we've gone out and not cleaned anything up, and we are like packing up because we're leaving soon to go to our new apartment, which we are so excited about. Shit. Birthday to me. Birthday to you. Birthday to Kichi. Hashtag Flats and Cats. Oh fuck. Really fast, you're gonna wash it for you. All the bananas are like need to go. I'll pick the piece out the photo. I'm gonna get it now. I think I want it. Is it recording? Yeah. No. It's clean. Yeah, definitely not having that now. yes. This kettle's nearly burnt me a few times. It's so hot. Just having my smoothie. It's really early. Neither of us really know why we woke up so early. It's like earlier than 7. Look at my little lettuce. Oh, lettuce growing here. Oh, they need to get picked. Some of them are kind of dead. Garden's a bit overgrown. Yeah, there are quite a few spiders down here. Snag 'em, babe. So, starting the day with the smoothie. Look inside this little bad boy. It's got... What is inside you? Nectarine, banana, kale, what I thought was chia seeds when I bought them, but actually sesame seeds. So you're not going to have too many of those, but they're still good for you. Water, yogurt, and ice, and protein powder, and muesli. But as you can see, it's not like a beastly thing. I just put in like quite a few ingredients, so I get like different nutritional values and things like that. So yes, very nice. Actually really nice that we've woken up so early. This hair was literally like the little spider. Last night when I walked into that spider web, I literally, because it was so dark, when I wrapped around my face, I was literally like, holy
the top of my head as well. That was definitely, you can imagine, that was definitely a spider in the middle.
At the moment I'm busy just walking on my way to go and get a haircut in Lewisham Centre. Just had some quick snack, some crackers with Marmite, butter and cheese, one of my faves. Just had that before I left because I was kind of hungry, but I didn't want to have like anything too big because I'm not sure what we're doing later, and I was like, I can get a coffee and stuff there. It's actually turning out to be such a beautiful day. I was feeling like slightly cold earlier, and you can see the clouds left over, but it's looking very lovely, isn't it? I did pretty much what all girls do. Woke up like feeling as if my skin was looking just fairly shit, and I think it's mostly from drinking last night and pretty much mostly from all of the McDonald's. For some reason, Ben, our flatmate, and Mike had like this grand idea that they should do like a burger off, like a burger eating challenge, because we were really hungry, hadn't had dinner, and we were like gonna do takeout. So I was like, let's just get pizza, and they were like, no, not pizza. And then we ended up at McDonald's anyway, where I ended up, oh, there's an insect right there. I ended up having freaking fries, McNuggets, and a burger. And the thing is, I got the most sauces of sweet and sour that I've ever seen. Literally, normally like I'll select sweet and sour, and then they just won't give it to me. And I'm like, okay, well, what's the point in clicking it on? Anyway, so I was like, can I please have sweet and sour? They gave me 6. I was like, this is a good day. But anyway, so I woke up with crab skin, did the obvious thing, and obliterated my face. Literally squeezed the living crap out of my face, and now it's feeling worse than it was before, and there's not much I can do about it. So I've decided not to wear any makeup today. I've got like some mascara so it can try to breathe. So I definitely want to be wearing some later tonight. So we're going to Madison, which is quite a nice like a rooftop bar with a beautiful view over St. Paul's Cathedral. Been there a few times, coming quite regular now. So that's where we're going a little bit later, which I am definitely looking forward to. For now, I just need to head off, spruce up. Been feeling like I need a little cut and a colour for a while. Mike's got some food on the go, some pasta. I'm quite full. I had like quite a big Caesar salad at the place we were at. It was so nice there. Upload a few pics into the video. It'll be really good when I get my proper vlogging camera that I actually can take out. This one's just like a little bit big. Wow, the stove is quite dirty. We're gonna make some drinks now. and we have bought some key ingredients. Strong.
Really?
Good though.
Cheers, Baba.
Cheers, baby. Woo! Chin chin to the weekend.
Cheers to the birthday.
It's good shit. That's good. That's right. Woo, that's strong. That's good. Mike's gone upstairs and as any good girlfriend would, I'm stealing his food. She's coming back. Crap. No, we missed his best dance moves. Good morning, everybody. I'm looking ridiculous in this hat this morning. I just did a nice gym session outside. It's not too nice out here, but it's warm. It's just a little bit overcast, but it's still really nice out here. Thought I'd get some fresh air because I've got to do some work today and stuff. Doing a wash load, that is what we can hear kicking off down here. Beasting. I'm making some nice luncheon. Let's check out how it's doing. Oh, steaming. Oh shit, it is steaming. It's looking good in there. We have some turkey dinosaurs, or those are vegettas, and some pak choy, which is now nearly ready. Trying to eat a bit healthily because it hasn't been the healthiest week. I was quite sick. I think that I got salmonella, which wasn't really that cool, so I just had to eat like a lot of plain food, but it's like plain bread and stuff, which obviously I don't really normally eat a lot of because it just doesn't sit well with me. And yes, so trying to get back into the clean life. And yeah, so I was just doing my gymming session now. I've had my BCAAs. I use Woman's Best, all of their like workout products, so like protein, BCAAs, fat burners, mostly like I use it from there. I also use some of Protein World stuff. Well, no, my protein's the one. And so yeah, now I am just chilling, waiting for the lunch to get ready. I'm gonna unpack the washing, and then I'm gonna put on, it sounds weird to make lunch and dinner, it sounds like I just eat, but you know how it is. This hat's ridiculous, let me get it off. Look at this. This freaking air. It's madness. Oh my goodness, yesterday, so we know I went out to go on a journey to get my hair done, and the place where I was going, like you don't make an appointment, because I didn't have an appointment, so I was in like a rush, nothing was full, so I was like, I'll just go. Nothing was full, nothing was available, so I thought that I would just go to this other one that I've been to before called like Supercuts, where they just give you like a cut and a blow dry, but you just wait in the queue and you don't have an appointment. But the lady was so passive aggressive to me, like I was just pretty chipped off, because I went quite, like it took me longer to get there than I'd imagined. Then when I get there, there's no one at the front to help anyone, so I'm standing there and I'm like just like kind of looking around, and then one of the ladies who's actually doing the hair, she says like, can I help you? Like almost like, what am I doing there? I was like, that's funny, this is, you know, you give out hair services, assuming I might want to get my hair done or buy some hair products. And then I was like, yes, I'd like to get, and then I said what I wanted. She said I couldn't get the one thing, and I was like, that's fine, I'll just get the other things. She was like, and the wait is 2 hours. I was like, what? Fuck, and it literally sounded like a warning, like that I shouldn't stay. Like I understand she has to communicate that information with me, but seriously, it felt like she didn't want me to be there. And I was like, fucking went to go eat my M&S wrap outside, and just was like, yeah, I probably don't care. I think this is ready, yeah? I'm nearly burning it. So that was pretty bleak, and I didn't even end up getting my hair did, so it's quite ratty, and it's long. This is some lunch ready. As you can see, I've already gone in for the kill with the turkey airplanes, and then I just got a whole load of pak choy, some turmeric and some paprika and some olive oil on it. Gonna go and eat this now and watch a little bit of Love Island catch up. I was thinking what could be quite cool is just let me know if you guys would want this, just to do like a video of kind of what I eat in a day, and the kind of what I would buy in a food shop. Shushi. Things so demanding, it's like, get me now. But it's good, warns you of creases. But yeah, if I do like a little kind of what I would get in like a normal food shop, and yeah, I just thought you guys might like to see what I do have. I generally try and eat really clean, just in the weekends, not that much, and in the past week I haven't really been that good, but usually speaking, I eat pretty healthily, and I like to keep like quite a lot of variety, so you guys might enjoy that. Let me know in the comments if you would want to see that, and I'll be happy to hook you up with a video.
Clean up my filthy room.
Okay, that probably wasn't necessary. Anyway, so I need to do a huge cleanup of the room, which is in a really massive state. I don't know what you would describe it as. It's a confusion of crap all over the floor. It's like a mix of things for videos, like hauls, clean washing, things that have simply been thrown on the floor because we've had such a busy weekend, and I've kind of just been rushing from place to place, so I haven't really, yeah, just no excuses. It's just a huge mess, and I thought that I would just clean it up now and kind of go through it with you guys. If you're anything like me, I know you like watching other people declutter things, so we're gonna get decluttering this, and what we're gonna do is put some of the stuff away into the cupboard, but other stuff is going to be going into this bag, because in officially 1 week we are going to be leaving and moving into our new flat, which we are really excited about. So I thought I might as well just put it in there if it is not going to be used for the next week, and I'm so excited to organize everything and get it all together. Okay, I have just finished clearing all of this area on the floor, and as you guys will be able to now see, this bag is full with goodies. These are all things that I think that I'm not going to use before we leave. This one's empty now, and what I was going to do is I've taken some clean washing, folded it in here of stuff that I think that I might use, and before packing it away, I'm going to take out all the things that I think I am not going to use out of here, just because it makes more sense, and I'll be able to clearly see the things that I do want to use.